Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, this is your English teacher. Today we are going to study chapter number 19, asking questions from your English grammar book. So my dear students, what are question words? There are few words which helps us to make or ask questions. So in this video we are going to know about the question words. So students, let's begin this chapter. Get into pairs. Now make a list what you want to ask your partner. Take turns and ask your partners questions. You may begin like this. Which is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. So students, here you have to make pairs and you have to make a list of what you want to ask to your partner. Take turns and ask your partner questions. Then your partner have to answer. You may begin like this. You have to ask question which is your favorite color to your partner. Then your partner will answer my favorite color is pink. So like this you have to do this activity. Now students, you have learned that a question is a sentence that asks something. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. So students, question is also a sentence that asks something, and questions started with or begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. We ask question to get some information, or we can say the question is a sentence that asks something. Now look at these pictures. Is this your doll? Yes, this is my doll. Are these Daisy's candies? No, these are not Daisy's candies. They belong to Andra. Now, is that your house? Yes, that is my house. Next one, are those your shoes? No, those are my brother's shoes. So students, here the words is this, are these, is that, are those, are written in red color ink. So students, we use is these or are these when we ask about something nearby. And students, you know very well, for singular things you use is, and for plural you use are. So students, is this is used for something nearby and singular, and are these is used when something is nearby but plural. Okay, now students, we use is that or are those when we ask about something far away. So students, in your previous chapter you had studied that is used for singular and are is used for plural, that is used for far away, and those is also used for far away. So students, is that is used for something far away but singular, while are those is used for something far away but plural. So I hope this is clear to you. Now students, let's do a short exercise related to this. Fill in the blanks with using is that, is these, are these, is that, or are those. Now students, here you have to fill the blanks with using is this, are these, is that, or are those. Now let's begin this exercise. Blank your pencil. So students, look at the picture. Boy had a pencil on his hand. So pencil is near to him and the number of pencil is 1, that is singular. So students, here you have to write is this your pencil. The next one, blank Kavita's dogs. Kavita's dog. So students, look at the picture. The dog is far away from a boy. So here you have to write is that, because the number of dog is 1, that is a singular, and dog is far away from a boy. So here you have to write is that. In next one, blank your money. So students, the money is in hand of a little boy and money is near to a boy. So here you have to write is this your money. Now students, next one, blank Yami's flowers. So here you have to fill is this. In next picture, blank your books, blank your bags. So in the first blank you have to write are those your books. In next one, is that your bag. Now let's come to the question number A. Make a question for these answers. One has been done for you. So students, here few answers I give and you have to make question for them. The first one is already done for you. Yes, this is her teddy bear. So students, you have to make question like this. Is this her teddy bear? The next one, yes, those flowers are roses. So here you have to write are those flowers are roses. In next one, no, these mangoes are not rotten. So students, here you have to write are these mangoes are rotten. Next one, no, that is not my cousin. So here question for this sentence is that your cousin? The fifth one, yes, this is the watch I bought yesterday. So question for this answer is this the watch you bought yesterday? So students, don't forget to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, now let's come to the question number B. Choose the correct answer. The first one, blank shoes very costly. So students, shoes, it means there are two shoes in a pair of shoes. So it is a plural noun. So you have to write are these. In next one, someone has left his socks on the bed. Are those yours? You have to fill here are those, because socks is also a plural. The next one, blank the houses that were built illegally. So students, here houses is a plural. So you have to write are those the houses that were built illegally. The next one, blank your new bag. So students, bag is a singular. So you have to write, is that your bag? Now students, next one. Here you have to fill, is this your wallet? Sixth, is that Apur's house over there? Seventh, are those books on the table yours? Eighth, are those the bowls that you bought? Next one, is that the jacket you bought yesterday? The last one, are those birds up there cuckoos? So students, this was the exercise that is completed now. Now let's come to some question words. What, when, which, who and where. So students, there are 5 question words that is mentioned in your textbook. Now let's discuss about them, how or when we have to use these question words. So students, here the 5 question words that is given in your textbook. In first column, the question words are given. In second, they are used. And in the third column, the example of the question words. So let's begin the first question word, that is who. So students, when you ask questions about a person or people, so students, who is used to ask question about a person or place. For example, who came first in the race? Now the next question word, what. When you ask about a thing or things, so students, what is used to ask about a thing or things? For example, what is inside this basket? Now let's come to the third question word, where. When you ask about a place or places, so students, when we use where, when you ask about a place or places. For example, where is your music school? Now let's come to the fourth question word, that is which. And when we use which is used to ask about a thing, a place or a animal. For example, which is your favorite season? Now let's come to the last one, when. When you ask about time. So students, when is used to ask about time. For example, when is your birthday? So students, the words who, what, where, which and when are question words. I hope you understood about all the topics that I explained you in this video very well by the help of this video. Now students, your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students. Bye and take care.